In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Qwen 2.5. This is an incredibly versatile tool that can generate text, code, images, videos, search the internet, analyze images and documents. This tutorial will guide you through everything you need to know, from creating your account to navigating the interface and then diving into its powerful features. Let's not waste time and get started. First, open up your preferred browser and head over to chat.qwenlm.ai. You can also find the link in the description below. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Sign Up button to create your account. You can sign up with your email address, a Google account, or even a GitHub account. For this tutorial, I'll use my email address. Enter your name, type in your email and password, and then check the box to agree with the terms of use and privacy policy. Now click on Create Account. Move the slider to verify that you're not a robot. After that, open the email message and click on Activate My Account. Once you've activated your account, you'll be redirected to the Qwen 2.5 homepage. In the middle, we have the prompt box. This is where you can interact with Qwen 2.5. Click on How can I help you today? And type in your prompt. Then hit enter. Qwen 2.5 will generate a response right here in the chat window. Now, if you look below the prompt box, you'll see several icons. Clicking on any of these icons will give you sample prompts that you can test out. For example, I'll click on Code and select Help me create a to-do list app in JavaScript. Now, we'll wait a few seconds while Qwen 2.5 generates the code. Now that we have the code, the next step is to copy it and paste it into a code editor, and then run the code and test it out. Now, if you look at the left side of the interface, you'll notice that Qwen 2.5 has automatically created a new chat based on your prompt and the response. In this case, it's named To-Do List App Tutorial. If you want to rename this chat, click on the three dots and select Rename from the drop-down menu. And then type a new name and hit the check mark to confirm the changes. On this drop-down menu, you can also pin, clone, archive, share, download, and delete the chat. On the top left corner, you'll find the New Chat button. Click here to start a new chat. I'll delete our previous chat to keep things organized. Now, let's move on to something more exciting. I'm going to show you how to use Qwen 2.5 Max, the most powerful language model that competes with top-tier models like GPT-4o, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and DeepSeek v3. To use Qwen 2.5 Max, click on the drop-down menu and select Qwen 2.5 Maxes. This model achieves excellent performance in complex reasoning, instruction following, mathematics, coding, role-playing, creative writing, and more. Now, we're going to ask Qwen 2.5 Max to write an essay. For example, let's ask to write a 3,000-word essay on artificial general intelligence. Now, sometimes it might pause depending on your request and internet speed, but just give it a moment and it'll finish up. This says, Artificial General Intelligence, often abbreviated as AGI, represents a pinnacle in the evolution of artificial intelligence technologies. Unlike its predecessor, narrow AI, which is designed to perform specific tasks such as facial recognition or language translation, AGI embodies a broader and more versatile form of intelligence. Here's the historical evolution of artificial general intelligence. Potential applications of artificial general intelligence across industries. Ethical considerations and challenges of artificial general intelligence. Overcoming obstacles to achieve artificial general intelligence. And then, the conclusion. Once the response is generated, you can click this button to copy it to your clipboard and then paste it elsewhere. If you find the response helpful, you can give feedback by clicking the thumbs up icon. If you're not satisfied with the response, you can click the thumbs down icon. And if you're not happy with the response, you can click the Regenerate button to ask Qwen 2.5 to provide you with a different answer. If you're interested in reading the full essay, you'll find the link in the description below. Now, let's start a new chat, because I want to show you how to generate images using Qwen 2.5. You can click this button to hide the sidebar and free up space for your active chat. If you're working in a smaller window, hiding the sidebar will give you more room to work with. And when you need to access your chats, just click the button again to bring the sidebar back. Now I'll click the drop-down menu and enable temporary chats. From now on, Qwen 2.5 won't create new chats for every conversation we start. First, enter a description of the image you want. For example, let's say, a man looking toward the camera, crying with the destroyed ruins of the behind him. Now, select the image generation option in the prompt box. Next, click here to select the aspect ratio you want. I'll go with 16:9. Then, click the Send Message button. Qwen 2.5 starts generating the image right away. When you're satisfied with the image, click on this button to download it to your computer. If you want to see the image in large resolution, right-click on it and select Open Image in New tab. We can see that the man has a serious and concerned expression. The man's facial features are highly detailed, with visible wrinkles and a furrowed brow, indicating stress or worry. But he is not looking toward the camera and is not crying. The background shows a devastated urban environment with collapsed buildings and debris scattered across the ground. We're going to go back to Qwen 2.5 and regenerate the image. This time we can see that the man is looking toward the camera and there are tears coming from his eyes. Now, let's move on to generating videos using Qwen 2.5. The process is very similar to image generation. Type in a prompt describing the video you want. For example, let's say, a jazz singer in a sleek red dress stands under a dim spotlight, gripping an old-fashioned microphone. The smoky haze drifts through the air as a live band plays in the background. Now, select the video generation option in the prompt box. Next, select the aspect ratio you want. I'll go with the default option for this example. Then click the Send Message button. Let Qwen 2.5 generate the video for you. Once it's done, you can hit the play icon to preview the video. You can see that we have the singer in a red dress under a dim spotlight, and the band is playing in the background. However, she's not gripping the microphone as we specified. If you're not happy with the video, you can always hit the Regenerate button to ask Qwen 2.5 to create a new version. Keep in mind that if there are many requests from other users in the queue, you may see an error message. In that case, you might need to try again later. If you want to analyze or summarize information, here is how to do it. To start, we'll need to upload the document you want to analyze or summarize. Click on the attachment icon here. Navigate to the folder where your file is located and select the file you want to upload. For this example, I'll select our essay on artificial general intelligence. Then click the Open button to upload the file. Now that the document is uploaded, we can ask Qwen 2.5 to summarize it for us. I'll type in summarize this. And there we have it, a summary of our essay on artificial general intelligence. This essay explores the concept of artificial general intelligence, AGI, its historical development, potential applications, ethical challenges, societal impacts, and the obstacles to achieving it. As you can see, this summary is much shorter than the original essay, but it still captures the key points and main ideas. This is a fantastic way to quickly understand the gist of a document without having to read through the entire thing. Now, I'm going to show you how to analyze images using Qwen 2.5. The process is similar to document analysis, but with a few key differences. First, we'll start a new chat. Next, we'll need to select the appropriate model for image analysis. Click on the drop-down menu and select Qwen 2.5 VL 72B Instruct. It's important to note that if you use the default model, you won't be able to upload images for analysis. Now, click on the camera icon here. Navigate to the folder where your image is located and select the image you want to upload. Then, click on Open to upload the image. Now that the image is uploaded, we can ask Qwen 2.5 to analyze it. I'll type in, "Analyze this image." As you can see, there's no delay. Qwen 2.5 starts generating the analysis right away. Keep in mind that you don't need to write a prompt when you want an analysis of an image. Here, Qwen 2.5 provides a detailed analysis of the image, describing its contents and offering insights. This says, the images you provided appears to be a set of two axial slices from an MRI scan of the brain. Then we have general observations, detailed analysis of the left and right image, possible findings, considerations, and conclusion. This is a powerful feature for anyone who needs to quickly understand the details of an image. Now, I'll ask Qwen 2.5 a question that requires recent information. I'll type in, "What are the AI news of this week?" Now, select the web search option in the prompt box. Next, hit the Send Message button. Here, you can see that Qwen 2.5 has compiled a list of the top AI news stories, along with their sources on the right side. This says, DeepSeek, a Chinese AI company, is making waves in the tech world, even prompting the US military to prohibit its use, indicating potential concerns or competitive tensions. Meanwhile, OpenAI has announced ChatGPT Gov, a version of their popular chatbot tailored specifically for government use and more. This is a fantastic way to stay informed about the latest happenings without having to sift through numerous articles yourself. The sources are clearly listed, so you can easily verify the information or read more if you're interested. Staying updated with the latest AI news is crucial for anyone interested in the field. Of course, Qwen 2.5 can be used to stay informed about news in other fields as well. Simply replace AI with any other topic you're interested in, and Qwen 2.5 will provide you with the latest information. I hope this tutorial has shown you some new ways to leverage Qwen 2.5's capabilities. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.